Hello everyone. We are here to present our business pitch entitled Templadong Gugma. We would like to introduce ourselves. I'm Ashley Alegria Oblina.
Lovely Ann De Leon.
Justin Madrigaleo.
Isang Raymond.
I'm Angel Andeliera.
Cecilia Magallanes. So, our business name is Templadong Gugma, which is in English, Season with Love. Ano nga po ba yung concept or konsepto namin? Ito po ay tungkol sa Makaluma, yes, a heritage-inspired restaurant and cooking school kung saan mailalabas natin at mabibigyang buhay ang Visayan cuisine o lutong Bisaya, especially mula sa Negros Oriental. Kasama rin po sa konsepto natin na mag-enjoy ang ating mga guests sa iba't ibang traditional nating mga putahe with a modern twist dahil alam naman natin nowadays na basta't bago sa ating mata at panlasa na talaga namang papatok talaga, kumbaga, Instagrammable. Perfect din ito sa mga mahilig magluto dahil kasama sa aming konsepto ang live cooking demos, join hands-on classes, and of course, to learn local food stories. Our concept instead is in a recreated bahay kubo courtyard upang madama and of course to get the experience that captures the warmth of all Filipino kitchens and the spirit of bayanihan. Next. So, ang napili po daming location ay ang Dawit Negros Oriental. Darwin ay talaga namang kilala sa yaman nito at makukulay na marine biodiversity, making Darwin in the top spot for scuba diving at snorkeling. Bakit nga ba Darwin, no? Super friendly na sadyang mahal ang ating. Plus, we also have eco-lodge accommodations. Bakit nga po ba Darwin? Dahil kilala po ito, seekers. Bukod pa dyan, Darwin also offers a quieter place na perfect sa mga naghahanap ng peaceful na lugar at mga mahihilig sa rural settings na perfect sa mga gusto at maka-experience ng bahay kubo dining style. And sa mga gusto mag-enjoy of course. Lastly, bakit nga po ba Darwin? Because it is a perfect source of fresh seafood and tropical ingredients, lalo na malapit lang ito sa dagat o beach.
Target market, anyone most especially. First, we're focusing on local and international divers and marine tourists. Since the business is likely located near the sea or diving spot, these people often visit the area and always on the lookout for good food and a relaxing place to hang out after their dive or tour. Next, we have culinary experience seekers. These are the people who love trying different types of food, especially local or unique dishes. They travel not just for sightseeing, but also for discovering new flavor and dining experience. Another important group is guests from nearby resorts and hotels. After checking and or exploring the area, they usually look for places to eat outside their accommodation. That's where our business comes in. Lastly, we also target food tourists and content creators. There are people who vlog about food. They're important because if they enjoy the experience, they're likely to share it on social media and promote our business naturally, even without us paying for it. Service and offering. What does the business provide? Accommodation, food, tour packages, cultural experience. We have a heritage restaurant that serves signature dishes from Negros Oriental and the Visayas made with fresh local ingredients and served in a charming bahay kubo orchard setting. The served signature dishes from Negros Oriental and the Visayas, all made with fresh local ingredients. It served in a cozy bahay kubo style orchard, giving dinners a truly Filipino atmosphere. And there are also a cooking school, hands-on classes, and short demos on traditional Visayas, perfect for tourists and food lovers uh, learn traditional Visayan, perfect for tourists who want a more interactive experience. Private dining and events, custom meals for group, families, or resort guests, including Then nightlife, kape at kanta, and hapag ng bayanihan, shared press. With custom meals for families or groups, we even host them nights like kape at kanta and hapag ng bayanihan to make the experience more memorable. And lastly, local food product shops. Sell homemade condiments, snacks, and ingredients like sinamak, binakhaw, or dried seafood as take-home souvenirs. That sells homemade goods like sinamak, binakhaw, and dried seafood, great for take-home souvenirs or pasalubong.
Marketing strategy. How will the business get people to come and buy? So, para mas makilala ang business, we have social media presence. Example, mag-post ng masasarap na pagkain, maraming tao ang nasa Facebook, Instagram o kaya naman TikTok. Additionally, libre o mas mura ang marketing sa social media kumpara sa TV o billboard. Dalawa, we have resort and dive shop partnerships. Para makakuha ng mas maraming customers mula sa mga turista, ang mga resort at dive shop ay may mga guest na turista. Kung may partnership, pwedeng i-recommend nila ang iyong negosyo sa mga guest nila. Pangatlo, we have influencer collaboration. Para mas mabilis makilala ang negosyo sa tulong ng mga sikat sa social media tulad ng mga vloggers, mga travel content creators for special previews or free workshops in exchange for coverage. Lastly, we have website and booking system, a clean, easy to navigate site for class reservation, menu browsing, and group inquiries. Make a simple website where people can book classes, see the menu, or ask about group events.
Sustainability and impact. Sustainability and impact. How will the business contribute to local communities, culture, and the environment? Farm-to-table sourcing. Ingredients will be sourced directly from the local farmers, fisher folk, and markets to support small producers. Employment and training. Hire and train to local staff, especially young people, in culinary skills, hospitality, and storytelling. Cultural preservation. Teach authentic Visayan recipes, basic language, and tradition to both guests and younger generation. Eco-friendly practices. Use natural materials for utensils and packaging like bamboo or banana leaves, compost kitchen waste.
Ano nga ba ang financial feasibility? Ito ay kung paano kikita ang negosyo. Simple lang, sapat ba ang kikitain para mabayaran ang lahat ng gastos o magkaroon pa ng tubo, profit? Bakit kumikita ang negosyong ito? Maraming pinagkukuha ng kita. Multiple revenue streams. Hindi lang sa benta ng pagkain sa restaurant kumikita. May cooking class din. Magpapabook para sa private events. Nagbibinta din ng mga produkto. Ibig sabihin makita halos buong taon. High tourist food traffic. Sa Darwin, maraming dumarating na international divers at resort guests. Ito ang magiging regular na customers ng negosyo. Babang gastos sa sangkap o low ingredient cost. Kung local ang sourcing na ingredients, mas mura. Mas mababa ang gastos, mas malaki ang tubo sa pagkain. Package deals at upsell. Pwedeng i-offer sa customers ang mga premium na kainan, private lessons o gift items. Nadadagdagan ng kita nang hindi naman gaano nadadagdagan ng gastos. Sa madaling salita, ang negosyong ito ay may matatag na plano para kumita dahil sa iba't ibang paraan ng pagkita. Maraming customers, mababang gastos, at mga extra offers para sa customers. Yun lang po. Thank you.